Now you know why we created Easylegal. It's time for me to show you step by step how to create your own projects in this tool and use it to stay compliant. Ready? Let's go. From the homepage of Easy Tools, I can go straight to legal pages. Here I can create new legal page, and this new project, let's give it the name of Ale, will contain all of the necessary compliance elements that I need. This means there is terms and conditions, privacy policy, also about us page, and footer for your website. This is pretty important because, for example, a payment processor can check your website upon compliance, and if any of the elements is missing, they can, for example, freeze your withdrawals, and you don't definitely want that. So this is mainly compliant with European law, but it should be also compliant with the rest of the world. But we obviously cannot guarantee it. So especially if you are running bigger projects, please make sure that you consult with a lawyer. And if you need any contacts, please reach out to us and we will help you. So here you have all those basic documents and basic details in company. You have to fill them in. So some contact details and your company details. And then you have pages. So you have terms and conditions, as well as privacy policy and about us page. In terms and conditions, you have all the features of your store. So if you're, for example, offering newsletters or contact forms, you should check those boxes. Also for the products, if you're offering, for example, digital goods, you switch that. If you offer some kind of guarantee, you can add this automatically to your pages. And also you can select whether you're based in the European Union or not. If you use EasyCard to sell products, you just switch this option and then automatically we will add necessary terms to your policies. Also, you have some European law, so price adjustment mechanism and some other policies for content moderation that you can add according to DSA Act, and also extra provisions that you can add. So for example, if you want to add a special paragraph at the end with your own rules, with your own definitions, you can do it. And you can do it both for the terms and conditions and also privacy policy, where you obviously have a lot of different options as well. As you can see, some of those options are common for both terms and privacy, but some of them are not. So for example, plugins, you can select there, and you can also add some extra copy at the end of privacy policy here. So those are pages. Once you save them, once you publish your project, those are available for you to link on your website. So you can just simply copy the link to terms and conditions. Let me preview this document for you. And you have all of the elements here. So you can copy the link, but you can also embed it on your website. So you can click on this little link and then embed the code on your website. This is an iframe. So whenever you make any changes to Easylegal, this will be automatically published. Once you publish it, this will update on your website. Also, we are doing yearly checks of the privacy policies and the pages, and we are trying to make it compliant to at least European law. So we make changes ourselves, and your terms and conditions and policies will update accordingly. So you don't really need to do anything in order to stay compliant, at least with this basic European laws. Then what you have here is About Us page, and on the About Us page, you can add some copy. And you can also use Markdown and HTML here. You can add some information about your company. But what's most important here is that you have an About page, which lists your company details as well as contact details. So make sure that you put your address here and everything that is required to contact you. This is pretty important, and this will be automatically linked to the footer. So here also you have the footer, and in the footer, you can choose between full and minimalistic view of the footer. And as you can see, those documents that we've created, so About Us page and privacy policy and terms, are automatically linked here. Here you have legal links, you can turn them on or off, but those will be automatically linked. If you select the full display of the layout, you can also select categories. So you'll be able to add a lot of different links in your footer. You can align it properly. And you can also choose a newsletter form. So this is a form that people can use to sign up to your newsletters. And if they sign up with their email and subscribe, what we'll do is we'll send this information to a webhook that you can provide. So for now, you can provide your webhook either to Make or Zapier or Publi or any other service. And we will send the information about the subscription to the webhook. And from there, in this scenario, you can just put it to MailChimp or any other software that you use. If you want some more instructions on that, please make sure that you check our academy on webhooks and automations. Here you can also decide that you want to show your contact details, and for European law, this is also required in the footer. So it's really best to have those contact details displaying here. You can also have it like that or centered at the very bottom, but it's pretty important that you have the contact details in your footer. So now I can go ahead and change it. And of course, you can change all of the styling of both the footer and your legal pages. So if you go to styles, you have the logo and you can change your logo. You can also redirect after clicking to this logo to any of your websites. You can choose a theme. So this is a main theme, but you can also select the color theme, or you can simply select the font family and all of the colors that are displayed here. So the options are there and you can just customize it to your brand. And also from the footer menu, you can go to navigation and social media. In navigation section, you can create those navigation links. So if you create some other link, so for example, tools, and you go to easy.tools website, let's go ahead and save it. I can create another category, let's say help. And as you can see, it's displayed here. I can switch the links between the categories. It's very intuitive. I can move categories up and down, and they will display in the footer. Also, apart from categories, I have the social media links that I can enable, and obviously I can edit them so that they contain the proper links. Once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and publish that. So this is now published, and I can easily preview or share any of the links or embed codes to my websites. But one really important thing is that it works with our other tools as well. So for example, if I go to the dashboard and now I create some products, I have this video course here and I go to checkout and legal and refunds. What I can do is I can provide my own links to privacy policy and terms, but also I can go to Easylegal section and I can either create a new project for this product, or I can select from the existing Ali project that can be automatically applied. As you can see, those links has been automatically added and they are linked to the checkout process. So this is really cool because you can use this data in all of the other elements that you create with Easy Tools. I really hope it will help you stay compliant without the headaches. And like I said, I do recommend your lawyer to just take a look at this, especially if you're outside of European Union. But this could be a great start for your legal documents and compliance. Thanks for your attention in this part. I hope creating future documents will be easy and pleasant for you. Don't forget to check out our community and show off what you're selling. I'll see you there.